Okay, YouTube, this is the Energy Sword 2 Part 2 that I promised I was going to make. Okay, remember this, take it, and remember I told you to make 2 marks that would make it a handle for you? Cut them, okay? If I got scissors. Okay, now, what you do, where the fuck am I? You take the 2 small ones that you made of this, and you cut them. You don't cut them. Look what you do. You take this and you bend on the sides, only on the sides though. You bend just a little bit there and just a little bit here. Okay, and then you sort of tape it on like this. Okay? I recommend just folding the whole thing, the circle. Right. Okay, so now we have this. When we have this, I want you to make sure it's straight like this. Almost looks like an H. And I want you to take the long ones now. And what you do is you sort of cut it off about right here. You cut. And use the same thing on the other side. Now you take these 2, the long ones, and you tape them on like this, okay? And you want to make sure that it's straight, that there's no bumps up there, okay? On the sides. It's just better like that. Unless you're making, I don't know, some random fucking shit. If you want, you could stop here and you could pause the video and tape this on to be like this and you could be finished. Or you could keep watching and you could do the exact same thing that I did. Okay, now we have this. If you want to stop now, just go ahead because it's practically done. You just gotta finish the Okay. Now remember I told you, you know what, take a piece of paper and you roll it up the short way again. I think we did this before. If you still have some shit like that, I don't know, just take it. Okay, now we have this. So I want you to fold it completely. Fold it. And now put it here. And you see it's like a small box. I want you to measure it and cut it so it's good. And I want you to tape it on. You could stop now if you like, but I think it's done already. I did this part to make it more secure. You could do it too if you like. Okay, so now we have this. If you want to, you could stop now or you could watch the rest. Because this is the detailed part. Okay, now we take a piece of paper and we cut like a square from the middle of these two, about like this, see? We cut a square, a rectangle, some shit like that. You make two of these, but it has to fit in the handle, like this, you see? It has to, like, if you put it here, it's gonna be a, you know what I mean. You just cut two of them. Now we have this, we have these two. Take one, put them together, and I want you to cut like a rainbow or some shit like that through the middle. Like this. Okay? Now take the energy sword, take this, and you put it on right here. So it'll look like that. Do the same thing on both sides. Do the same exact thing on the other side. Now we have this, our finished product. It's even better than this one, except this is painted, see? It's the same thing. We have this one, and we have this one. Okay, thanks for watching, YouTube. Bye!